Eze Ndi Igbo ekene m ebe ọ bụla na biko asị m ka onye ọbụla ka onye chenye azelu biko na anyị mana Igbo ọma Igbo ndị be anyị si nọ ile ọma ka eju na ji aga n'ọgwụ so mụ nwa welekwa n'eziokwu na-achụ na efele mbụ wa na ka na mụ na-egwugo ihe a ekwugo m ya kemgbe m bido peji na mma na-ekwu eziokwu mma eju eziokwu na-achị despite the fact na some people anaghị alaiki eziokwu mana ya na-ekwu ya so eziokwu ka m fụọ eziokwu dị ka afọ ime na ala ekpuchi ya aka eziokwu dịkwana ka onye ọbụla nwere kandụl tii n'okpuru bed Baịbụl sị na mgbe ọbụla kandụl ji legide ọ elekala ma bed ahụ ele ha nche na-epịa apịa na ada ekpuchi efe ime aka ada ekpuchikwa n'eziokwu aka ada ekpuchikwa n'ọnwa nke eji ekpuchi anyanwụ nyanwa ome nji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nketa na o nwere kesi dapụta anụ da call to our attention nwere kesi call to our attention unu mana mgbe ahụ akpụrụ Mathias mgbe ahụ na Ijele na-ekweli ya Ijele na-ekweli Mathias ya na Mathias imọgụ mgbe anọ ya akpọ inspector general nọ ya akpọ nke anọ ya eme nke mee nke ọzọ a na-etu ya Ijele king of the zombie ọ na-ehe eli ya hey emegide mgbe ahụ obubati ya mgbe ajekwa jewele ga atụta na WhatsApp group jekwa Sahara Reporters ha wee post the news mgbe ahụ ndị otu Mathias kopu wee justice na-abịa ha na-ekwa je kpọọlọ ya anya nzu keneko ya bụ ihe na-akpọtụ mgbe ahụ mana did you guys notice that na kemgbe akpụrụ Ijele Mathias ekwuru okwu maka ya o nwere ndị na-asị na Mathias amara ekwu eziokwu Mathias amara ekwu okwu na onwe ike ije dị ya kwuo nke ya eti ekwu Udele na serious problem dị nwekwa na onwe ike ruo ma na asị ka rumo si agala ọdụ ka jifonu Mathias ahụ nke ahụ ije ọdụ ka kasị izile so chọrọ ikwute ihe ya agha ya rie anyị revisit case dị ihe pending because ọ bụ na Mathias win case ya ba na ya na-aba mgbasịzi hapụ Ijele mana kịta ejide gị Ijele ha na ya na-abụkwakwa na otu aka na odu ọhụ ajide gị Ijele Mathias bekwanụ bịa kwuo okwu Mathias no ndụ n'afọ that does not mean na ọ fọrọ ya ọfụli ojigwu na ihe anụ a na-agbawo gịnị mind the game unu ka na-asị let's go back everybody na-achọ akpa nke ya onye ejidere onye ọbụla elie mbọ kịta Ijele ya amara ihe Ijele nwa nọcha etinye eze anụ nwa ya anụ mụta enyi eze anụ nwa na pụta ọ ya kpa Mathias asị because assistance na-atụ ụlọ Ijele ego na WhatsApp group Udele akwa ọbata court sị na ụsụ enwe ọnụ kịta ụsụ enwe n'ọnụ onye nwa bụ ụsụ ahụ na nwere ọnụ ahụ anyị mụ ji proverb ekwu okwu na ụsụ enwere ọnụ ụsụ si meta eli ebele the face dị ọsị na he will give his life to Christ asị ya olo everybody must pay according to your sins maka ihe a new generation all before ka na-asị na the sin of the parents shall be visited upon the children olo Ijele ihe ebu nke gị so biko na nenene this video kwuo n'ofukwu ya nwanne ya nwoke kwu regarding that case ka ọ dịnụ.
Somebody called my attention to something yesterday. In fact, I saw somebody able to make that post. Then immediately it got to my mind. Can you better Mathias, other advocate for the release of Ijele? Give it better that Mathias is not saying anything about Ijele. Have you people not noticed that Mathias is not saying anything about Ijele? But the time I arrested Mathias, Ijele stood and was speaking. In fact, arresting Mathias when you turn Ijele to Ife Land to Ebono today. Yes. Because he started speaking for the release of Mathias. He took it now upon himself. Go use Zonwe as a bait. Go we go send them mother that na ebe firu na emenwu Mathias efa. Si bia mezie ye. Pata na malo. Mathias sakante manejo ola maposicha nya nwamanya koposi ya mezeni ne de no. The question is kedife pata na Mathias ya de ekwu maka Ijele. Kedife do scared of because no man at the moment or by ekwu maka Ijele no ga commit really. I'm not sure he by aim for it. You see, choose your battle wisely. Choose your battle wisely. The same thing with Ebonison. Yes, during the time of Ebonison, mgbe akwụile Ebonison n'ọkụ, Ijele pụtakwa na-ekwu maka Ebonison. Today, why is it that even Ebonison is not talking about Ijele? They are scared. They have run for their life. Their freedom is very important to them. Their freedom is very paramount to them more than every other thing or any other thing. Why are they not speaking for somebody who was speaking for them? Because Mathias, there is no way you can talk about detention Ijele without talking about Zion, Ebukobi. You must go deeper, you must go deeper. From going deeper, for me to So why are they not speaking for him? He spoke for them. He stood for them. He was there for them. Why are they not standing in for him? Why have they abandoned him? They have abandoned him to his fate. Yes, it should be a lesson to you and to so many other people. Choose your battle wisely. Choose your battle wisely. Yes, they don't want to go in because Nahamana, there is no way you can talk about Ijele today without talking about Ndi Meli arrest and Ndi Melojuwe Norebono today. So they have abandoned him like a log of wood. Let this be a lesson to so many other people. Be wise. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Wisdom is always there to direct you. You want to go? How can you take Mboegbe Igbo for somebody who cannot even take a stone for you? For somebody because of you. You want to go? It is not balanced. It is not balanced. It is not balanced. Oh, because of Mathias, arresting Mathias, turn Ijele into what he was before he went in on this journey, Ogabal. Yes. I know how he was moving around the street of Abuja by arresting Mathias. He was moving around the street of Abuja with a banner. He was sponsoring a release Mathias campaign. He even contacted his friend Showore of Sahara Reporters to make a broadcast, to make a post about Mathias' arrest and detention. He did a lot. He did a lot. Even on speculating the arrest of Ebonyson, he also did a lot. He said a lot, not that he did anything. Now, why have they abandoned him to his fate? What are they scared of? Kerife had to scared of. Because you people knew that now the journey on Naga is a very bad one. You know that it is a journey of no destination. You know that it's a journey of no value. You know that you need a play an emotion of people for your own personal gain. You know that this is just a branch of business, Imepel. You know that you don't mean any good and well for Ndi Igbo. You know that you are on a journey for your selfish interest. That is why you don't want to risk anything. You don't want to compromise anything. You don't want to sacrifice anything. If not, no, na the journey in a go for. Why can't you stand, not minding whatever that will come, and speak for Ijele and call names of people and talk to people, speak to people direct? I am challenging you, Mathias. Come out, stand and speak to people direct. Talk to Zion ministry. Talk to Ebukobi. Call them by name. Address them for what is there on the table. And speak for Ijele. Because he stood and spoke for you. Unable today because of you. Where is Ebonyson? Why are you people hiding under the bed? Come out and speak for Ijele. Let your conscience guide you, not for me. Yes, Obrun Ijele do ready to take anything for you people. Why are you people selecting the judgment, Onoshol? Why are you people selecting the judgment, Onoshol? I shouldn't be the person saying this. But I am saying this because Nanchoka some people manonya. Kono manonya because no bidori this thing. So what is the essence of chickening out now? When the chicken has come home to roast on Abafisia. Board on a coat. So be a good friend to your colleague Ijele and don't abandon him. He needs your voice now. Speak for him. Speak for him and take the Ebwenisigu. Speak for him and take the Okutenisigu. Speak for him and take the 2x2. It is worth it after all. Ono Johnny ono do ready to sacrifice anything. Orubo de eba sacrifice something. It is what it is. Darling.